morning. I thought I would take a break from shoveling snow. We got about 24 plus inches with more coming as I speak. I got an interesting mailing piece yesterday and I wanted to share something because it really proves a point that I've made recently, talking about coming out better because of a problem. You know, you have a printing disaster, you think, oh my God, it's over. And you look for a way to find some rainbow, some lemonade coming from the lemons. And here's a good example. So our twins are high school seniors and they're looking at colleges. And we've just been deluged with mailings. And they look at them and some of them they keep, most of them they just leave on the counter and I throw away. Well, I picked up one that arrived yesterday. And on this side it reads, "Even wildcats make mistakes. University of New Hampshire." Listen to this. On the inside it reads, "Dear future wildcat, if your New Year goals aren't off to an Instagram-worthy beginning, know that you're in good company, ours. In our enthusiastic efforts to wish a Happy New Year to all our incredible prospective students, admitted and applicants alike, we got our wires crossed and accidentally sent you a card intended for students further along in the admissions process. We apologize for any confusion or consternation this might have caused you." Okay. So just a simple postcard, right? That says, man, maybe you didn't apply, or maybe you applied and we haven't accepted you yet, but we sent something out that made you believe you've been accepted. Big deal, right? This is the money paragraph. Making mistakes, however, is a critical part of the learning process. That's how we grow as students and leaders and set the benchmarks by which we do better next time. So in that spirit of looking ahead, please know that we sincerely hope you will submit or finish your application and continue your UNH journey. What a great postcard to send. Yeah, no kidding. I'm sure they got a lot of phone calls. I've been accepted. Oh my gosh, that's great. And they do explain it. And I don't know whose fault this was. I don't know if this was the printer that made a mistake or someone at admissions just okayed something. I don't know. Whatever it is, this is lemonade. Because now you've got someone who can look at this and say, well, good for them. You know, they threw down the mea culpa, and then they end the postcard by saying, dream big, make mistakes. Best wishes for a bright, healthy, and fulfilling new year. Good for you, UNH. That's exactly what I'm talking about. When you have a problem, you want to react, you want to recover, and you want to resolve. That is a great example. Now, don't go make mistakes, but if you do make mistakes, make some lemonade out of it. Have a great selling week. I'm going to go shovel snow.